ukuthi where is Makhumalo, but also where is Lwandle. And guys, uphi uMakhumalo? Where is Makhumalo Mseleku? Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. Listen, you guys, somebody asked me like 2 days ago. They asked, Ntando, where is Makhumalo? And I was like, yeah, where is Makhumalo? Listen, Makhumalo Mseleku has been one wife that is the most present when it comes to social media. Compared to the other wives, Makhumalo was the one that was doing the social media thing. Instagram, she was Instagramming. Other people had even made a comment, Makhumalo is becoming an Instagram baddie, okay? She was doing the Instagram thing. She was getting brand deal after brand deal after brand deal. And she was showing us when she goes to these events where she is emceeing. Sometimes she will be preaching. Or Makhumalo was busy on Instagram, okay? So her Instagram page was showing how busy she is. It was happening, okay, compared to the other wives. She was the only one that really on Instagram will only be showing herself working, okay? And also the outfits, guys. We were getting that, every day. We were like, listen, how is Makhumalo's wardrobe looking like at this point? Now, she just went quiet, She went quiet and she wasn't posting as much. And then on Facebook, she posts, but the posts on Facebook are not like the Instagram one. You understand? Like recently, she posted a video of her just because she got a brand deal with Poseidon. And also she was talking about going to the mines because they're still working at the mine. Remember the video that I did when I was talking about the Mseleku family being involved in the mining situation there by Umzumbe. And what's happening, you guys? She did mention that her phone got hacked, which is also another strange thing with Makhumalo, because how come she's always having her phone hacked? Like, not that she's the one that gets her phone hacked, but she's had quite a few incidences where she says that her phone was hacked. But you guys, what's happening with Makhumalo? Why are we not seeing her on Instagram? Even more suspicious is the fact that Uthando Nesithembu Uncut is on right now. And they showed us Umayeni, they showed us Umangwabe, and then they showed us Umacel. And then I was like, okay, Makhumalo is next. No, it was Umakwela. I'm just like, listen, we were not really... We were not really hurrying to hear from Makwela. Okay, we could have waited to hear from Makwela in season 9. I wanted to see Makhumalo's episode. You know why? I wanted to see Makhumalo's episode because season 8 was really different for Makhumalo. Season 8 was really different because for us to see her having that challenge where her and Mseleku are not understanding each other. It was the first time as the viewers we were seeing that. So I really did want to hear her perspective on how season 8 went and where they are with Mseleku in terms of their relationship. And it felt like in season 8, it was clear that even though Mseleku is not going to say it, but it felt like Mseleku has an issue with Makhumalo being as successful as Makhumalo has become. And he constantly was wanting to remind her, Pela, Vele, the reason you are where you are is because of the Mseleku surname. You wouldn't be where you are because of the Mseleku family. And if we are being honest, you guys, Makhumalo has become successful. I mean, yeah. It's like when somebody pays your school fees to go to school, but you're still the one that's studying. So when you get your degree, they can't really say, the degree, I paid for it. No, you might have paid for it, but it's not mine, So it felt like that with Mseleku. So with Makumalo disappearing from social media, I do wonder. I hope that she's disappeared because of the hacking situation. Maybe she does not have her account. I don't know, but it just seems like she just took a step back, and I'm hoping you guys that it's not Makumalo dimming her lights. Maybe she felt like now with Mseleko complaining so much about her, because it felt like Mseleko is saying, you are becoming bigger than me. You know, remember, you are not bigger than me. You are not bigger than the Mselekos, you know. And I hope she's not taking a step back from all that we were seeing coming her way on Instagram and everything just because of that. She's not dimming her lights because of what Musamselek was saying or Musamselek was feeling as far as her success is concerned. But guys, where's Makumalo? And why are we not getting her episode on Uthando Nesthembu uncut? I really didn't. Okay, this is me. I really just didn't really. I could have done without seeing Makwela, but it's okay, we got Makwela. But now the next episode, they're going to be talking about Mpumelelo taking over the legacy. I'm like, Sasa Safele legacy. They talked about the legacy situation on Ingane and this team, most. I need to. They talk about Mpumelelo taking over the legacy now. Why do we need the uncut that is going to talk about the legacy? We want Makumalo's episode. Why are we not? Where is Makumalo? We want Makumalo's episode. Okay? We want Makumalo's. I was even wanting to check like the credits. Is she still in part of production or what, Duba or something? Guys, where's Makumalo? That's what I'm trying to say. I just want Makumalo's episode. So this coming episode of Uthando Nesthembu Uncut is going to be that whole thing of Musamseleko trying to say that he will be leaving things, leaving everything to Mpumelelo or leaving everything with Mpumelelo. That thing just confuses me, you guys, because what about Lwandle? You know, if you say that yonke into izosala kuMpumelelo, what about Lwandle? Yes, Mpumelelo is the oldest, but uLwandle uyophuma endlini kamama. Angazi, guys, I just, that situation, I am confused. And also, uphi uLwandle, guys? Uphi uLwandle? Where is Makumalo? Where is Lwandle? Because Lwandle is nowhere. Well, I haven't seen him. I don't see him on social media. I don't see him taking pictures or videos with his siblings. What is Lwandle up to? Even with Mpumelelo, because before we used to see a lot of Lwandle with Mpumelelo. But now Mpumelelo is like riding alone. Where is Lwandle? But also, where is Makumalo? You know? What's happening, Gamsele? Anyway, you guys, we saw there were pictures that were posted of Makumalo's house. Remember when they were buying houses, I said that Makumalo is probably the one that got the biggest and the nicest of house. It looks that way. It looks like her house is better than all of them houses, okay? But no, we need Makumalo's episode, please. In legacy, so basically, we don't need the legacy. Basically, the next episode will be Mseleko's episode. But we haven't heard Makumalo's episode. Where's Makumalo? Anyway, you guys, that's all I wanted to say. Where's Makumalo? But also, where's Lwandle? Anyway, goodbye.